Today we're taking 3 of your favorite holiday desserts and we're turning them into cocktails.
I don't know about you, but I'm an adult and adults drink their desserts.
Send the pies to the kiddies table. We're going to be making a pumpkin pie old fashioned, a apple pie whiskey sour, and a peach cobbler shooter with Crown Royal peach.
I love that we went with whiskey for all 3 of these dessert cocktails. I feel like whiskey just makes me feel warm and cozy, you know?
Yes. We order all of our booze from bottlerover.com. Be sure to check out their website or download their app and get booze delivered directly to your door. My favorite holiday dessert is definitely pumpkin pie.
Let's dive right into this.
First, add 2 ounces of bourbon. Then add 3/4 ounce of pumpkin spice syrup, 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Give it a stir and garnish with a cinnamon stick and a cherry.
Cheers to pumpkin pie goodness. Wow.
Yes.
This tastes like the holidays. And boozy.
I love that it's such a classic cocktail and we elevated it with our own pumpkin spice syrup.
Would it really be a holiday without apple pie? Here's the apple pie whiskey sour.
First, add a 1/4 cup of diced apples and a pinch of cinnamon. Muddle that up. Add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of Jack Daniel's apple. Roll your cocktail into your pie crust cinnamon sugar rimmed glass and top it off with a apple and cinnamon garnish. Yes.
Wow.
First you get the pie crust, then you get the apple. The bits of apple in it, I'm a fan.
Yes. This might be my favorite one. And last but not least,
The peach cobbler shooter.
ooh.
This shooter is super simple to make. It's equal parts of Crown Royal peach and RUMCHATA. Yum. Rim your shooters with cinnamon and brown sugar and then garnish that with whipped cream and a peach gummy ring.
How cute are these?
Adorable.
That is so good, you guys. Which one of these would you guys make at your holiday parties?
And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.